Hello, there are significant and increasing concerns about the rainfall we're expecting and dry weather that's pushing north across a large part of the UK this weekend. That warmth comes up against much colder air that we've got in residence across the far north of Scotland, the Northern Isles generally. And this temperature and that moisture source is from the subtropics. It's coming up around this area of low pressure out to the west, and so there's readily available a lot of moisture as that weather front becomes more active. In fact, there could even be some embedded thunderstorms to lead to some short rate large rainfall totals, as well as the general heavy and persistent frontal rainfall we're expecting. And you can see how that continues throughout Saturday morning into the afternoon as well. But initially it's mostly light across southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, but some heavier rates there for parts of Lancashire could lead to some issues because it's been wet here for the last day or so. Another 20 to 30 millimetres likely for Friday, and so a yellow rain warning in force for Lancashire. That could cause some issues. But the amber warning is where we're most concerned, and that covers the Trossachs, Southwest Highlands, parts of the Central Belt, including Glasgow, Stirling, for example. 100 millimetres widely here, not just over the hills, but perhaps for some low-lying places, and for some of the wetter spots, the risk of 180 millimetres of rain. Very significant rainfall totals leading to a very significant flood risk. River flooding we're talking about, but also surface water flooding on the roads and so on. So the risk of transport disruption, dangerous driving conditions, for example, and disruption to rail networks. Now, along with that, there's the risk of danger to life because of fast-flowing flood water, just the sheer amount of water that's going to come out of the sky and a build-up in the river network in Scotland.
That's us finally here. Today we're at a Bothy trip, me and Scott. We're actually on plan C. Plan A was to do a couple of Munros. Obviously due to the weather that's been kicked into touch. Plan B was Gorton, Bothy, which we passed just by Bridge of Orchy, but there was no, with the rain that we've had, all the rivers had burst its banks. So we're at plan C, and I think the Bothy's called Gleann. That's where we are, Gleann. So it's not that far a walk. I'm sure it's all track all the way there. So it's absolutely pissing for the heavens. I think we've maybe got about an hour's walk ahead of us, so a couple of miles. So we're parked up, got to get the waterproofs on, and we'll head up to the Bothy. I'll bring us back now. That's us been on the go for 25 minutes, covered just over a mile. The rain isn't that bad. It's probably died off a bit. It was worse on the way up. Weather warnings all over the place. Amber and yellow weather warnings for the rain. So I've definitely made the right decision to come to this Bothy, because that Gorton one, there was 2 river crossings involved. There was no chance taking that was us going to go up the north side and try and avoid the river crossings, but it all merged into one big puddle at the flat bit. So I say this plan C just came up this morning. We'd had a look at it before, but we didn't want to do the drive. But we were out, didn't we? We've been out for a while now. I think it's 8 weeks since I was out. I'd have preferred the Munros, but this is a good setting, definitely. How you doing, Scott?
Aye, all good, mate.
Good, good.
Enjoying it.
Yes.
Can't beat it.
That's the first look at the Bothy. No signs of smoke, which means nothing. Means nothing. But it's going to look as if it's in a cracking setting. Now what is it exactly? 2 miles. It took us 45 minutes to get here on a really good track. Aye, they're trying.
Mate, that's some difference.
Oh.
By the way.
Cheers. Yeah, that's our view for the Bothy. Not too shabby at all.
Sorted, mate.
No. Chicken chasney. Got to see a Scott.
Oh mate, cheers.
Cheers, son.
Here. Disgusting health.
Yeah, cheers, buddy.
Cheers mate.
Oh, that's good.
Good, isn't it?
Good.
It's one of the easiest recipes. I'll send it to you.
Yeah, definitely. Mate.
Nice wee heating and bread
Oh,
steam.
brilliant.
I didn't even think. I was thinking that'd be a lantern, but it's not great, but when it's pitch black it gives it helps you.
Yeah.
There's a wee pack of Indonesian rice in that way. That's spicy enough.
Aye. Oh, it's done. It was not a fucking. That was good. That was really good. Cheers. Well done to Scott. What a curry. What a curry.
Cheers mate.
What a curry.
To win away against Hearts at Tynecastle. Airdrie, I think, will beat Ayr United.
I'll go with it, I couldn't.
Libby, it's a draw with Motherwell.
Fuck off, you dick.
I've got the exact same as you here.
What's he copying him for?
Celtic won, a Hibs won at Tynecastle, Airdrie, and a draw at the Tony Macaroni. Right, I'm different. I'm not sticking with you two.
He goes from all, doesn't he?
Okay, of course.
Gaza.
Only beat Livingston.
Hurrah!
Anybody who beats Celtic.
Hearts and Hibs a draw, and I'm going to say
Everybody.
final answer. Right, okay, so nobody is taking. Then you're only a winner.
I'll tell you what, this first half has flown in these games. Let's round this off, Hugh.
Okay.
The first half teaser.
With the ScottishSun.co.uk/football for the best football news and opinion on.
Good morning. It's 8:20. Great wee night in the Bothy. For what I can remember it, I think I got put to bed about maybe 7:30 or something. I had one glass of wine too many. Knackered, I was totally knackered. But poured the rain all night. I don't know what these roads are going to be like driving back down the road, but they're quite bad coming up. Maybe not as much traffic on them now because of the amount of rain that we've had. We're going to get tidied up in the Bothy, get packed away, and then, like I say, it's only a 45-minute walk back to the car. Beautiful location. Okay, spin you in, give a wee look. Check that river out. That's us finished and back at the car. Another 2-mile walk, and we've done that in 40 minutes, so it's all downhill. Coming back in there, we're talking to the mountain rescue guys there. They're on a training course down in the river, so the river's definitely running at some rate for them anyway. So cracking night in the Bothy. Pity there was other people in it. Another 2 guys came in later on, but I never videoed them. And the young guy that was there, I'd ask him if he didn't mind me videoing, but I fell asleep anyway. So if you watched it this far, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.